Hey everybody, this is Danny from BlowoutCards.com and you're watching Blowout TV's live video box breaks. We're on Blowout TV right now and about to break a box of 2006 Playoff National Treasures football. This one is for Ryan Yu. Alright Ryan, here you go. Good luck. 06 National Treasures football. No crack. Here we go. 06. Nothing in there. All right. Here we go. Card number 1. Charlie Joyner base, numbered 75 of 125. Number 2, LT jersey. This one is numbered 29 of 99. Card number 3, Leonard Pope rookie auto. This one is numbered 57 of 200. Next up, Charlie Taylor, Sonny Jurgensen, Bart Starr triple jersey. Old school. This one is number 23 of 25. Next, we got a timeline jersey of Bob Lilly. This one is numbered 22 of 25. Next up, we got a Peyton Manning auto jersey. Triple jersey. Manning, very nice. This one is numbered 8 of 10. I don't know, is that Manning's jersey number? I think Manning is number 8. Oh, he's 18. Alright, everybody in the blog room is telling me I'm stupid. Alright, last card. D'Angelo Williams. Dual sick patch auto. Very nice. This one is number 13 of 30. Alright, so we got Peyton Manning auto, D'Angelo Williams. Alright, thanks a lot, Ryan. For those of you who are interested, you can purchase 06 National Treasures on our website, www.blowoutcards.com, and check out this box break and many more like it on Blowout Cards message board forums. Thanks a lot, guys.